Congratulations on making it to the final nugget in our systems administration course. So the million-dollar question, where do you go from here? That's what we're going to answer in this nugget, and I'll give you some advice on how to get there. If you have absolutely no experience in IT and you're at ground zero, the natural place to begin is right here with A+ and Network Plus. Acquire those vendor neutral certifications and get some experience building machines and then making them talk to each other. Once you have those under your belt, or you're comfortable with the basics of IT and have a solid foundation in place, then you can move into the Windows or Linux worlds and get certified. On the Windows side, MTAs are a great place to start. The Microsoft Technology Associate, again, covers the basics. It's a good refresher and a good way to build that foundation in a Windows environment. And from there, you can move on to the highly desired Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, which again consists of 3 exams, 70-740, 741, and 742. That's an intermediate level certification, and depending on how much time you can dedicate to learning and studying, that's about a 6 to 12 month journey. From there, you can put the icing on the proverbial cake by becoming an expert in specific technologies and acquiring an MCSE, which again just consists of 1 exam from a list of electives that cover many of Microsoft's server-side products. On the Linux side of things, you will want to start with Linux Essentials. That will give you the basics and a good foundation here in Linux. From there, you can move on to the administration exam and finish up with the engineering exam. And the path is similar here: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. Now, the best advice I can give you, and this is the same advice I give friends, family, and anybody who asks me, how do I get started in IT? I always tell them, you need to learn consistently. Make it a part of your routine. And you don't have to dedicate a lot of time every day. In fact, that can be counterproductive because it's difficult to retain so much information. You just need to dedicate a little bit of time. A half hour to an hour every day is all you need, and that time adds up over time. It's also very important to get certified for a number of reasons. Number one, for yourself. It gives you something to work towards, a finish line, an end game. And once you acquire that first certification, there's no feeling like it, and it injects you with the confidence and motivation to continue on. And number two, employers love certifications. It proves to them that you have what it takes to do the job. Employers also love to reward employees who continually learn and acquire more certifications. And this is really a win-win for us, because the more we learn, the more skills we gain, the more desirable we become in the field. And that is incentive for an employer to give us a raise, to keep us around. So begin with the end in mind, and just remember, it is a long and eventually prosperous journey. Well, there it is. That concludes our CBT Nuggets course on systems administration. One more thing, you can acquire a certificate of completion for this course by simply taking the quiz, which you can access using the link in the description. Crush it. Get that certificate. Show your friends and family that you rock. Thank you for spending your time with us. We really appreciate it. Good luck, and I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.